Single-use plastic bags are convenient, cheap, and reliable, but are one of the biggest contributors to the world's ongoing plastic waste crisis. But what if these bags could be made from natural products that biodegrade in the environment in a relatively short amount of time? That's exactly what South Dakota State University Associate Professor Srinivas Janaswamy's research is focused on. Over the last few years, he has been developing plastic-like materials from agriculture byproducts like corn, soybean hulls, switchgrass, spent coffee grounds, and banana peels.
We know that plastic, it stays put for about 700 to 1,000 years. So that's why we have to have something that disintegrates, that disappears fast.
Janaswamy creates this plastic-like material called films by extracting cellulose from agriculture byproducts using a chemical treatment process.
Cellulose is not water soluble. So in order for us to make films, we need to somehow solubilize it.
The extracted fibers then undergo bleaching, distilling, and treatment before being prepared into a film. Once dry, the film's key attributes like tensile strength, transparency, and elasticity that make it similar to petroleum-based plastic can be seen.
This cellulosic material, once you add them to soil, we found out that within a month, maximum 60 days, everything disappears. So that is what the most important thing for us.
The entire process is actually quite simple, and Janaswamy is confident that he will be able to use the films to replace single-use plastic bags in the future. Janaswamy and his research team are gaining a better understanding of each film's properties before they scale up the production for larger products.
Down the lane, we will be able to develop a single-use bag that is biodegradable, and ultimately that is going to replace the plastic bag. That is my dream.